on the path is starting to get some sort of idea of what you, the total liberated you, standing in your sovereignty, with your power intact, what does that look like? What does that feel like? How does that manifest? What might be going on in your life? Now, there are many, many ways to do this, whether it's meditation, whether it's conversations, whether it's therapy, whether it's going on vision quests, whatever it might be, there are multiple ways to do it. This is a fantastic thing to do, very, very exciting. And that's step 2. And then step 3 is looking at what are the barriers likely to be for you on that path, and what are the resources that you already have within you that are going to help you deal with those barriers. Now, the thing about those 3 steps is whenever you follow those 3 steps, 1, 2, and 3, you accelerate yourself along the path of freedom of spirit. Now, I'm going to say to you that you are already on that path. How do I know that? Because as you have come to adulthood, you will have already started to notice aspects in which you feel a little bit restricted or a bit suppressed, or where you feel that you've got resources within you that you're not quite accessing or not quite bringing out. And even if you're a highly self-actualized being, even if you are really quite evolved and standing in your sovereignty, there will still be a degree of that going on with you. So for all of us, we have that impetus to reclaim that inner freedom of spirit and to really flourish and blossom and express that and bring it into our everyday lives. We all have that going on to some degree, I would suggest. The other reason I say we're all on that path is because we can't help it as we grow through our lives, but to gather wisdom and experience. It's inevitable. And the ultimate freedom of spirit is the full release and elevation and transcendence that occurs when we leave behind this particular corporeal identity and existence and move into the realm of pure spirit, because that's the realm of ultimate freedom of spirit. And we are all on our way there. So we're all on the path already. And along the path, these are the 3 components I've identified that we can use consciously by our own free choice to help accelerate ourselves along that path. So that as much as possible of our lives is lived within the beautiful frame of freedom of spirit.